After inserting your desired component, sometimes you will need to change its values such as tag, description, and so on. So to edit these features, the marking menu can be used. You can just right-click on the component and then select Edit Component option. The Insert Edit Component dialog box will be shown, and based on your need, you can change every feature. For example, in the ladder and component that I have inserted, I want to change the tag name. So I type the new tag, and then by choosing the OK button, it will be done. To change the location of the component, there is a tool which can help us to move components. To choose this tool, I'm going to Edit Components panel, and then in Modify Components, I select a Scoot tool. This tool makes it possible to reposition electrical objects. In the command line, you will be prompted to select the component or wire number. Because I want to scoot this component, I have to click on it and then move it to my desired point or location. I click on this point and the component will be placed. Here it is obvious that you can move component in the orthogonal direction. You can see that the wires are reconnected after scooting this component. Press Escape to exit the command. Another way to change the location of the component is using Move command. So to do that, you have to click on your component and then right-click on it. Then choose the Move component. Finally, click on the point to place the component. In this part, because you have moved the component to the new line reference, a dialog box will be opened. If you want to retag or change the tag of your component based on the new line reference, you can choose OK to retag your component. And the line reference of the Move component will change to the new line reference that you have here. But if you decide to not change the component tag, by choosing No Retag button, it can be done. Now I want to retag my component, so I choose OK to retag. And you can see the new line reference is attached as the tag of the component. As you can see, you could place it wherever you want, which is the difference between Move and the Scoot tool.